Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI, so let us dive right in. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to your Leonardo AI account. Once you are there, simply click on Image Generation. Now, here is where the magic happens. You will see a box where you can type the description of your character. Be as detailed as possible here. It really helps to get the results you want. For this example, I am just going to generate 4 images, so I will set the number to 4. Oh, and don't forget, you can also add negative prompts. These are things you don't want to see in your character or image, like deformed body parts or anything else you find unpleasant. Alright, let's generate this first one. Once your image is generated, simply download it. Now on the left side, scroll down and click on Show Me. Drag the image you just downloaded here. You can adjust the strength if you want. I will set it to 0.25 for now. Now, let us tweak our prompt a bit. See how the character now has similar features to the one we downloaded, but with a few different details? Let us try another one. This time, let us make it look like she is running. Again, similar feature but with a different pose. And if you want more detailed changes like different clothes or accessories, you can generate a whole new image. Just use the first prompt as your template and make a few changes to it. And there you have it. That is how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. Thanks for watching and see you into the next one.